Hello everyone, welcome to this one tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very fun and simple game to play, Jigsaw puzzle. Okay, all we need to prepare is our paper, pencil, crayon and a scissor. Okay, now start with a painting. You can draw anything you like, as colorful as possible and as challenging as possible. So I spent some time drawing a beautiful beach because I come from the beach. Then after that you can laminate this or put it on the cardboard or any kind of thick cardboard. Then I draw here some small square. I'm gonna cut this out, or you can draw any shapes you want. Can be triangle, can be circles. Cut this out into small pieces. And then you can challenge your friend to see how quick and how fast they could make it into your painting. Okay, now we try to cut this out. So basically it's going to be like this. And you can leave it all around the table and start your game. Don't forget to bring it back to the library when we see each other again so we can play this very cool game. Okay? I can't wait to play the Jigsaw puzzle with you. So I see you later. Have a great weekend, kids. Bye bye!